Now, the midday health bulletin in Karnataka has been released and 63 fresh COVID-19 cases has been reported from the state. 21 COVID-19 cases has been reported in Hassan and 8 COVID-19 cases has been reported from Mandya. 10 COVID-19 cases reported from Bidar, 4 COVID-19 cases reported in Bengaluru. Total number of deaths in Karnataka rises to 40. Total number of COVID-19 cases in Karnataka rises to 1,458. So this is the big news coming in now. 63 new COVID-19 cases has been reported in Karnataka. For more on this, I'm also joined in by my colleague Abhijit. So Abhijit, somewhere going ahead and looking especially at the old Mysuru region, it seems to be the worst affected so far. Both Mandya as well as Hassan too, because somewhere both of them have similarities now. So looking at the Maharashtra link now, this is turning out to be a viral thorn in the state of Karnataka. What more do you have to say?
Clearly, Prajwal, it's absolutely clear that, especially as per the today's medical bulletin by the mid bulletin, the Hassan and Mandya are clearly the most affected districts as far as COVID-19 cases are concerned. A total of 63 new cases. But if you see the positive side out of this, Prajwal, the fact is that, in the last 3 days we had number of cases in the range of over 80, over 90, and yesterday we had over 140 cases registered in the state. But now today the number of cases as of now has risen to 63, which is also a worrying factor. And we were talking in the morning as well as to, in all likelihood Karnataka is likely to breach the 1400 mark as far as COVID-19 patients are concerned, and that's exactly what has happened. 1,458 cases have been registered so far. We have still awaiting the evening bulletin, and possibly the number of 1,500 cases might the Karnataka might reach very soon. But talking about this bulletin, Prajwal, it's very much clear that the people in Hassan has a lot to worry about, as a total of 21 new cases, and as you rightly put forward, the Maharashtra link is clearly affecting the sugar bowl of Karnataka, if I can put it in that way, because 21 cases is quite a number as far as Hassan is concerned, and also 8 when it comes to Mandya. As far as Bengaluru is concerned, Bengaluru rural hasn't registered even a single case, but 4 cases have been registered in Bengaluru urban, which has taken the total positive cases to 250. So I would just like to read out the top 4 districts as far as the number of cases are concerned. We have Bengaluru urban with 250, Mandya with 168, Kalaburgi with 134, Belagavi with 116, and Davanagere with 112. So over 100 cases. 5 districts in Karnataka with over 100 cases. But like I said, the positive case out of this, or the positive thing out of this whole scenario is that the number of cases have actually gone down with, and the total number of deaths are also 40. So no fresh deaths have been reported, and over 800 people are still under medication, or they are still under quarantine at this point of time, Prajwal.